Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do the Smart Fill shortcut in Google Sheets. So if you guys didn't know, there is a shortcut where it will automatically fill your data, and here I'm going to show you the example on how you can use that. So here I have the full names of like a singers, and I want to separate it. uh, the first and the last name I want to separate it, and here I'm going to use the shortcut that I told you before. Okay, so let me show you the on-screen keyboard first. Okay, so here I've already have my on-screen keyboard. So if you want to, let's say, separate the first and last name, you can just write this, the first two name like this. And then after that, for the rest of the data, you can just use this shortcut. So what you guys need to do is click Control Shift and then Y, the letter Y here. Okay, so in here, Control Shift Y, and after that the rest of the name will follow, and I'm going to show you again in the last name. So here I'm going to write the first two last names, and then here I'm going to do that Control Shift and Y again, and just like that the rest of the data will fill in. And that's basically how you can do the Smart Fill shortcut in Google Sheets. So remember, the shortcut is Control Shift and then Y. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.